Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's crochet tutorial, I will show you how to crochet a star. For this tutorial, we need 4.5 mm crochet hook, scissors, and yarn. So let's get started. Let's start with a magic circle. Then make 15 double crochet. End of the round, join with the first stitch with slip stitch, and chain 1. After that, make a single crochet in the same stitch, then make half double crochet in the next stitch, then make double crochet in the same stitch. After that, make a treble crochet in the same stitch, chain 1 and pick out. Again, 1 double crochet in the same stitch, 1 half double crochet in the same stitch, then 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Again, 1 single crochet in the stitch after that, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the same stitch, 1 treble crochet in the same stitch, chain 1 and pick out. Again, 1 double crochet in the same stitch, 1 half double crochet in the same stitch, and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. So complete the round with the same sequence. end of the round, join with the first stitch with slip stitch and cut the yarn. Secure the yarn. Here is our final look of crochet stitcher. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching.